Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez. Today we're doing ranch pork chops in the oven. Let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna get some olive oil on our chops. Alright folks, now we're gonna put some onion powder, garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and our ranch dressing. So we're going to turn them over and do the same thing on the other side. Alright folks, now we're going to spray some olive oil in our pan. Of course we're going to bake these. Now we're going to put on the better onions and garlic. What another good recipe here, folks. My good old buddy Ron Daniels, Mr. Free Food Warner. Not today, buddy. Put some garlic down here too. Okay. Now we're going to put our chops in here. Okay, we're waiting for our oven to get up to 400 and then we're going to bake these. Okay folks, after about 20 minutes of cooking, let's check our temperature. It should be at least 165. Let's see here. Alright. Good to go. Okay, so we're going to enjoy this with some jalapeno rice. Again, World Famous Foods ranch pork chops baked in the oven. Enjoy.